Hey guys, Pandora, the Postcard Diva here. All right, back about Pure Profit Pro. If you're here looking for a way to make some money from home, this is a great program to get started in. It's instant pay. This program only has 3 levels, $250, $500, and $300. That's it. Okay, there's no complicated comp plan. 250, 500, 1,000. You pick one of those levels, you get started, you pay the admin fee, you're set up instantly. You're going to get an email from the company. Just log in, go ahead and set up your back office, and you reach out to me and I'll get you started. I'll get you plugged into my team. I'll get you plugged into some exclusive training that I have access to, and you're going to be a part of that as well. Not to mention, I also have a special postcard that I'm mailing out to a targeted list of people that's interested in making money from home. Okay, so this program is education, instant, e-learning is what they call it. I'm sorry, electronic learning, so that you can actually go in, you can log in from anywhere in the world as long as you have access to the internet from any smart device, laptop or computer, and get your education on how to market online. The training is included, resources included, everything you need is right here, guys, and more importantly, the step-by-step video training, so you get to learn this at your pace. Okay, so you have the potential of unlimited income with this. It's all in one marketing system. It includes an autoresponder. Okay, that's included. And it has 2 capture pages. I'll show you one of those, so you don't have to worry about going and finding any of that. Everything you need right here is ready for you just to plug in and get started. I'm going to go down here real quick because I want to keep this video short and show you the 3 levels. Okay, so for $250 plus 95, what's that? $345. I mean, to start a business, that is unheard of, really. A legitimate business that's been around for about 3 years, a solid company. This is not a fly-by-night company. Okay, the second level is the $500 level. It's $125 admin. $1,000 level, $145. Now, if you come into $1,000, that's where I am. You get all this included. Okay, so 1,000 level allows you to get paid on the 500 and the 250. So what you'll do in your first sale, you pass it up. And then the second sale you keep, okay, at the level you're at. So in other words, you come in at the 250 and your first sale is 250. Okay, you're good to go. You're qualified. Now you can start receiving those $250 payments. If someone comes in higher than you, you're still going to make 250. So whatever level you come in at, you're going to always make that amount. So that's what I like about this. You don't lose any sales. With this, if you come in at whatever level it is, you're going to always make that. So really the lowest amount you can make with this program is $250. That's what I like about it. So when I mail out my postcards, I know no one can come in for $25. Nobody can come in for $100. Either $250 is the minimum. Okay, so the $250 plus the $95, that's what has to be paid in order for you to get in this program, the minimum. Okay, so it's very well worth it. I had someone call me the other day about the postcards. So just think about it. It's what the postcard stamps has gone up. They're 35 cents now. So for $35, you get 100 stamps. So let's just say you mailed out 100, okay, and you got one sale, and it was $250. Great, you in profit, right? Because it only costs you $35 to send out 100. And I get the postcards from Office Depot, so they're very cheap. So it really doesn't cost much. I spend like $23, $24 for 1,000 postcards. Okay, so if you can't do anything else, you can mail the postcards, and I'll get you plugged into what I'm doing with the postcards. So you can market it offline with that, or you can market it online, and I can show you some of the resources that I have in my toolbox where you can get visitors to your website. Okay, and this is one of the pages I'm going to show you real quick here. Here's one of the capture pages that's included, guys. So just drive traffic right here, and they look at the presentation, which is where we were. Okay, and let it do the selling and telling for you. Okay, that's what I like about these programs that I'm involved in. We have a system in place that does all the presenting for you. So you don't have to present and keep saying the same thing over and over. What is this program about? How does it work? You drive people to the video. Okay, they look at the presentation, it explains everything, they can jot down their questions, then they come back to you. But everything is explained here, okay? So there's nothing to try to figure out. And I'm going to guide you step by step what you need to do and help you get set up. Now let me show you. See, when you log in your back office, over here you click get started, and you can see here's the steps. I'm at the 1,000 level, as you can see right there. But here's the steps, but not to mention that. Not only that, guys, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on what you need to do, a personal, okay? This is great in the back office, but I'm going to give you what's working for me and my team, okay, to make this program work for you, okay? We're going to keep it simple because I like to keep things simple because I run a couple different businesses and I'm always busy. So I want to put things in place, okay, so it can be automated, and then people can call me from that, but they have something to look at, okay? And then my system is going to sift and sort out the tire kickers, okay? Because once people go in and they look, if they're not interested, no worries, okay? Okay, they go here and they say, oh, well, I don't have 250. Well, they know they can't come in for 25 or 50 bucks. So that's fine with me. When you get 250, come back. We'll be here, okay? So, because people that's serious about their business, 250 is nothing to invest. I mean, because when you think about it, you're going to be making these sales over and over and over and over. The system is going to pay for itself over and over, 10 times over, okay? So it's very well worth you to invest so that you can get the higher commissions so that you can take care of you and your family. It just makes sense. Think about it. At the 1,000 level, if you had 10 of those, okay, that come in even over the next 5 or 6 months, that's an extra $10,000 without you having to get a job, okay? That's going to come directly to you. So it's well worth to be at the 1,000 level because you can do a lot with that commission, right? And then remember, when someone joins you, they got to pass up their first sale. So you're getting that money back over and over. So it's very well worth you to come in at the higher level, of course. But if you have to, you can come in at 250 and you can upgrade. Now, when you upgrade, you pay the difference, okay, between the levels, but you're going to have to pay the admin for each one of those. So that's why it's best to come in at 1,000. What I mean by that is, say you come in at the 250 and you decide you want to upgrade to the 500. So you pay the 250 difference, but you still got to pay this 125 over here. And you've already paid the 95 to be at the 250. So now you paid the 95 plus the 125. Just want you to see the differences there. But you would pay the difference plus that admin for that level that you upgrade to. But whatever it is, get started. Come on in. Let me guide you through what you need to do. And we'll get you plugged in. We also have a Facebook group. And again, the daily activities that we have set up for you to follow will be very easy. Worst case, you can mail the cards. You can mail the postcards, and I'll show you how to do that, okay? So I'm going to put the link below. Go ahead and check out everything. Watch this video. Once you opt in, you're going to see this video. Click watch now. It's about 11 minutes, and it pretty much explains what we do, how we get paid. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call afterwards, guys, okay? Thanks for checking it out. Like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.